Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and I'm bringing you all a new video. So I really did need a entryway table for my hallway, so I decided to build one myself. I was really in love with the Pottery Barn table that was kind of a chunky look, but it did look like it was kind of a base of just full wood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a base out of 2x4s and outfit it with plywood to give me the look that I'm going for. So right here you see me attaching some 2x4s together that I've kind of just measured to the look that I want it to go, and I'm just going to attach them with regular screws and pocket hole screws. Alright, now I'm switching it up and I'm cutting down my plywood for the outfitting part. I'm using pine plywood, which I never saw before, but I was in Home Depot and I was going for the birch plywood look, but I saw this and it was about half the price of birch plywood. So I decided to go with it and I really did love the look of it. So right now you see me cutting some 45-degree angles on the edge of them. And I'm just going to fit those together so when each piece comes together it kind of has that 90-degree corner. And then I'm also going to cut some 45s on the bottom so I can kind of just build a box around what I've built for my base. For the attachment part, I'm literally just using wood glue and nails. The wood glue really is what kind of holds everything together, but the nails also give it a stronger hold. So I'm putting those 45-degree angles together and you see how it comes a perfect square. Now if I did have a gap in between it, I'm going to come through and fill it up with wood filler and then sand it down.